We are currently seeing a shift in the market. Call it a correction. A nationwide listing site reports that a record 15% of sellers dropped their asking prices during the 4 weeks ending May 1st. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, already home brokered by eXp Realty. This just means that sellers need to be more aware that the market is changing. This is most likely due to interest rates increasing and mortgage rates being extremely volatile. However, we need to remember that people are always going to need to buy and sell. People will move in and out of their state, people will get married, they'll get divorced, people will have babies and need bigger homes, and people will need to downsize and they need smaller homes. People will still need to buy, but the housing market is just normalizing a bit. So it's important that we are aware and realistic as to what that means. Let's focus on what's happening locally. Currently, on a local level, we are seeing the market as being very volatile. Just a few months ago, the second we put a house on the market, the calls were coming in like crazy, and there were so many offers on homes, and prices were being bid way over what the home was valued at. We underprice out here, so I don't even care what the list price is. In Oakland, when I pulled a report on how many active homes there were in April, there were 267 active homes on the market. As of now, the time of this recording, we currently in Oakland have 392 active homes. That is a 47% increase in inventory in Oakland within a couple months, and it's helping the market to start to balance. Now we are seeing the market creeping towards a bit more stability and becoming a bit more normal for us. The time it takes to sell a home, which we refer to as days on market, well, it's still a bit similar. From January to April, the typical median days on market was like 12, 13 days, and now we're at 15, 16 days on market, so up just a tad. We are not seeing crazy amounts of multiple offers, and remember, we still underprice out here in the Oakland, Berkeley, East Bay area, but sometimes things are not going as high as previously expected. Well, it's not as common. Depending on location, conditioning, and marketing of a home, it's not a given that buyers are going to remove the appraisal, loan, and inspection contingencies. Again, the market creeping towards a bit more stability and normalizing. It's important to know these factors when listing your home and thinking about pricing and home value. Not being realistic will end up costing you more money. It's important now with a more normalized market to hire an experienced agent who knows the market and who knows how to market your home the way it should be to get you the most amount of exposure, which will obviously get you more money on the sale of your home. The good news is, according to Freddie Mac, home buyers continue to show resilience even though rising mortgage rates are causing monthly payments to increase by about 1/3 compared to a year ago. We have the highest interest rate since 2009, and there was also a rise in adjustable rate loans. But according to the Mortgage Bankers Association, purchase applications rose 2 weeks in a row, which means buyers are still out there. And nationally, in the same period, 56% of the homes sold for an average of 2.8% above list price, which again is another record. Reach out to me and I can help walk you through what it would look like to sell your home. And ask me about my tiered home selling plans, where you get to pick which real estate services you want and the fee that you pay, offering you simplified and transparent choices. Again, this is Tanja Odzak, RE Home brokered by eXp Realty, and I'm always here to help. Reach out anytime, even if you got just questions. Putting people before profit.